Hi, do you ever get lots of little bits in your acrylic? Basically, when you pick up your bead, sometimes it may drop back in there for some reason, and then you go to pick up your next bead and you've got a blob of dried acrylic attached to your brush, which is quite annoying. Well, basically all you need is a strainer, and you just pour this acrylic powder out your pot through your strainer, give it a shake, and you'll get left with all bits inside your strainer, which is obviously the little bits that have gathered in your powder. And then all you've got to do is just get your pot and pour this very carefully back into your pot, and you'll have a nice clean, no bits in your powder. So there you go.